Hey guys, Mark here with Hanging with the Hyatts. We're doing a little preventive maintenance on the Polaris. We're changing the transmission fluid. It's pretty easy to do. You got two plugs. They're like a M8 hex Allen head. I try to do it as I feel like it's needed. It's been about 2,000 miles, I think, since the last time I done it. It didn't really need it, I don't think, but better safe than sorry. And I still use the Polaris brands. I think it'll take a little bit more than 1 quart, but anyway, that's what we're doing. I think the book recommends every 500 miles. I think it depends on the driver and what the driver knows, the conditions he's been in. I think this is the 3rd time I've changed this stuff since I've owned it. And I'm sitting at about a little over 5,000 miles on it. So anyway, it's pretty easy to do. Well, the big thing is looking at your drain plug magnet. It's got some metal shavings on it, but I think that's normal from gear wear. What you don't want to see is big pieces of gear teeth or big chunks of metal on it. But anyway, thanks for hanging with the Hyatts, and we'll see you on the trails.